देखिए हर खबर यहीं पर, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए TV9 भारतवर्ष।
Death certificate, there are multiple parts. One is the immediate cause of death, another as the antecedent cause of death. In immediate cause of death, there may be many things. There may be acute myocardial infarction or pneumonia or ARDS, many things there may be.
But नहीं, मेरा प्रश्न है, these are
the patient is, let me say, if the patient is positive with COVID infection, that must be written, that must be written in the death certificate.
लेकिन
This is
लिखा नहीं जा रहा है।
reports. Even if I suspect a patient, the patient came to me and before doing anything, any investigations, died in front of me, and I suspected the patient is having possibly a COVID infection. And if I suspect, I have to mention in the death certificate. This is the World Health Organization guideline. This is what is saying the ICMR. But Paschim Bengal में यही नहीं हो रहा है. Yes. That I can say. There is the lack of transparency in the data what they are publishing for the people and to submitting to the government of India.
ये बताइए कि ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है कि एक डॉक्टर एक डेथ को ना जज करके एक एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर जज कर रहा है कि कौन सा कोविड-19 डेथ है, कौन सा कोमॉर्बिडिटी है.
This is the problem in West Bengal. Therefore, we sat yesterday, the 7 of the organization of the West Bengal and the parent body of the doctors of across the country, that is the IMA, the biggest.
IMA का प्रेसिडेंट तो ये कह रहा है कि पश्चिम बंगाल में जो कोमॉर्बिडिटी डेथ और कोविड-19 डेथ का जो हिसाब दिया जा रहा है, all states should follow that because this is the procedure.
No, I differ with him. I definitely differ with him. This is there should not be any other protocol except the protocol that is transmitting, that is asking for asked by the government of India or the ICMR. Even the other question is, the doctors of West Bengal are facing another important problem regarding the death certificate, issuing of the death certificate. There is a definite guideline of ICMR. They have asked all the state government that you must follow the WHO guideline of ICD-10 codes. But in West Bengal, what happened? There is a death audit committee, and the death audit committee instructed all the local health administrator that before issuing any death certificate, all the papers to be sent to the center, to the health headquarter. And after the reviewing all the reports, they will say whether this death is COVID death or non-COVID death.
फिक्र आपकी, सोमवार से शुक्रवार रात 9 बजे सिर्फ TV9 भारतवर्ष पर।